everyone, Chelsea here with Fleet Hoster to talk to you about your new Fleet Hoster Customer Center. You should have been sent an email with a link to your Customer Center. If you have not received that email or you are not able to access your link, please give our office a call so that we can get that sent over to you as soon as possible. Once you're able to log into your Customer Center, you will be taken to your dashboard where you'll see three main sections: your Billing section, Orders section, and Support section. Today, we're going to start in Support under the Edit Your Profile option. In this area, you'll be able to update and change your billing and shipping addresses, select your preferred shipping method, and update your payment information. Please note, if you had a card stored on file in our old system, it will need to be updated in this system. You'll update the required fields here, and then select Save My Credit Card Information to store your card on file for automatic drafts on your monthly invoices. Once you've made the necessary changes in this area, you can get back to the dashboard by clicking the Home button. Once you're back in your dashboard, you can view additional information regarding your billing under the Billing section. For example, in your Make a Payment option, you can see your current invoices. You can see any credits if they are available, and any deposits if there are any recent. If you want to use a credit to be applied towards an invoice, you'll select that credit and then click Submit. If you need to make a one-time payment towards a hardware invoice, you can do so by clicking and filling the fields below and then clicking Submit. Back in your dashboard under the Billing section, you can also print a statement, see your AR register, and see all recent transactions. In the Orders section, you'll be able to see your recent orders. You'll be able to pull order numbers, customer names, order statuses, and collect tracking numbers for those orders. In addition to your orders, you'll also be able to pull information regarding your quotes. For example, your quote numbers and the issue date of those quotes and their current status. You can also request a return through the Orders section and check on any return requests that you may have made previously. In the Support section, you can open a support case with us by clicking on Contact Support. Your contact information will auto-populate. You will enter a subject and a message letting our support team know what issue you're having, and someone from our team will reach out to you as soon as possible. You can also open support cases with us on our website at fleethoster.com. However, this form will allow you to fill out less information as it does auto-populate any contact information for you. You can see your current support cases by clicking on See Support Cases. You'll be able to collect case numbers, subjects, statuses, open dates, and last communication dates. Lastly, on your dashboard over to the left, you'll be able to search specific transaction types. For example, pro forma invoices, standard invoices, credit memos, and return authorizations. You'll be able to quickly link to your outstanding balances, outstanding orders, open cases, and open quotes. If you have any questions about your Fleet Hoster Customer Center, please feel free to give our office a call at 678-759-2544. Thank you so much for your time and have a great rest of your day.